Let me introduce a white plant called Horsetail or Tsukushi in Japan. Horsetail is a common edible white plant in Japan and Korea. It is so delicious with soy sauce or sweet vinegar. When winter turns to spring, it is a good time to pick and use in meals. It is rich in silicon, calcium, magnesium, and phytosterols, and mostly it is free. Preparing it for cooking can be pretty time-consuming. Each stem has 3 dry skins that I peel off. Otherwise, it may taste dry and brittle. I also dust off the green spores. Some stems have quite a lot of spores in their head, so it is best to do this outside. 30 minutes of preparation for 5 minutes of cooking. A little patience. Finally, preparation's done. Let's cook. Put in the bowl and pour cold water. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Every time foraging from the nature, I usually rinse with the vinegar. Vinegar is good to wash off potential bacteria on the fruits and veggies. Rinse with new water and save it. Boil some water. Add some salt to get the water to boil more quickly. While you're waiting for it to boil, leave the horsetail in the water to remove the leftover spores. Boiling, boiling, boiling. Let's boil for 1 minute. We are going to cook it with spices, so let's not boil it for too long. Turn off the heat and rinse with cold water twice to get a fresher texture. Simmer on low heat until the water evaporates. One tablespoon of fish stock, 1 tablespoon of cooking wines. If you don't have a cooking wines, you can use just white wine plus sugars. A little bit of salt and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder or minced garlic. Turn off the heat and add the black sesame. And simply plate. I eat as side dish with the rice or put into the ramen as side dish. It's really good. Sometimes I put it into bibimbap Korean rice dish.